In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text template to the description field in Jira. If you want to make issue creation faster and keep descriptions consistent across your team, using a text template is a really helpful option. It can save time, reduce formatting mistakes, and make sure everyone includes the same important details whenever they create or update an issue. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to select inside Jira to get that set up. To begin, open your Jira project and look for the three-dot menu next to the project name. This menu gives you access to additional project options that aren't always visible on the main screen. Go ahead and click those three dots to open the dropdown. From that menu, select Space Settings. This is where you can manage project level configuration and access tools related to how your project behaves. If you don't immediately see the option, just make sure you're in the correct project area before continuing. Once you're inside the settings area, look for automation and click on it. Automation is where Jira lets you create or apply rules that help streamline repetitive tasks. In this case, we're using it to apply a template that can help populate or guide the description field more efficiently. After the automation section opens, choose a template from the available options. Jira provides templates to help speed up setup. So instead of building everything from scratch, you can start with a pre-configured rule and adjust it as needed later. When selecting your template, take a moment to choose the one that best fits the way you want your description field to behave. This is especially useful if your team follows a standard format for bug reports, task requests, or story details. Once you've selected the template, click Save and Enable. This is the step that applies the automation and makes it active in your project. If you skip this, the template may be selected but not actually turned on, so make sure you complete that final action. After saving and enabling, your Jira project will be ready to use the selected template through automation. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to test the setup by creating a sample issue and checking whether the description field behaves the way you expect. That helps confirm everything is working correctly before your team starts relying on it. And that's it. You've successfully added a text template to the description field workflow in Jira.